guys, it's Kayla and welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. So today's video is going to be just a quick update on where I've been, what my life is like. Yeah, a lot. There's a lot to update on. First, I'm sorry this video is so late. I've been filming all day other videos. Did not film this one. And I was like, oh, it's 7:40 and I haven't filmed today's video. So every other day's videos should be up by 6 p.m. That is my goal. Be uploading at 6 p.m. every day. So I'm going to fill you in on what my life is like, and then tomorrow the videos I've been filming today will start going up. Just like last year, there's going to be 2 vlogs a week and then 5 kind of sit-down videos, but not necessarily. I'm trying to do sit-down type videos, but more vlog style. You'll kind of see in tomorrow's video. I'm not sure I'm going to like it, because I did a haul kind of vlog style and I don't really like it, but we're gonna upload it. We're gonna see what you guys think. But yeah, so I'm just excited to kind of change up my Vlogmas this year, because last year's was very time consuming, very much you must sit down and film this many times a week, and it was very stressful. So I'm trying to make this a little less stressful, but still produce quality content. So we'll see what happens. So where have I been? I have not uploaded a video since early September, late August, early September. And that's just really because I've been so busy that I haven't had time to like sit down and do anything. So after that last video that I uploaded, you guys knew that I was in a long-term substitute position. I am teaching 6th grade math and science, which is surprisingly a lot of fun. I've been really enjoying it. And this week they offered me the job for the rest of the year, and I accepted, signed my contract on Thursday. And so I am now officially teaching full-time. It is my classroom. They are my students officially. So that's been really exciting, but it's kept me very busy, obviously, and I was still kind of adjusting to what life as a full-time teacher was like, because before, when I was just subbing, I could take a day off whenever I wanted, and I didn't have any grading to do. I didn't have any planning to do. I just kind of showed up, and then I'm like, oh, now I'm in my own class. So that's been definitely an adjustment, but something that's really helped with that is I am back in school. I am doing a alternate route to certification program for my teaching certificate. So I'm teaching right now on a conditional certificate, meaning they know I'm in school and I'm working towards my certificate, but they trust me enough to actually have my own class now. So I'm in school, online. It's kind of insane, but I'm doing it and it's going really well. I've been doing pretty good in my classes, so that's been nice. And my timeline right now that they set me up with is that I will have finished all my courses, finish my student teaching, which is really just a coach observing me in my own classroom, and done my state certification requirements, filming and all of that, by June, so that I could be hired on for the next school year officially without any conditions, which is insane. Some of you guys are probably like, Kayla, you said teaching wasn't like a forever thing and that's why you were subbing, and it's not. It's still not necessarily where I see myself 20 years down the road, but it's definitely where I see myself still 5 years down the road, and I can still do all of the theater things that I love while I'm teaching. And honestly, I've always wanted to teach, and that's why I became a teaching artist, and that's my passion, that's still my life goals. But I also love being in the classroom, and so for now, it's what I'm enjoying, it's what's paying the bills, it's what keeps me busy and happy, and so for now, it's what I'm doing. I don't know how long I'll be a classroom teacher, but for now, it's been a blast, and I'm really excited to keep moving forward and keep learning and growing and seeing what I really want to teach and do, because who knows where I'm going to be in 5 years. But that's what I'm doing for now. So that's got me really busy. School and teaching. It's chaos. I still have been doing my theater work. I did, while teaching full-time, I also taught the After Academy program at the theater I work at. So I was like getting off work and booking it out to the city, which was totally fine. I made it there on time all the time. Didn't end up having to teach any Saturday classes this session, which was kind of a bummer, but also kind of a relief, because I mean I had my weekends to plan when I was still adjusting to teaching. Last time you heard from me, I was in a play. I am in another play right now, and we open on Friday. So this is my tech week, and of course tech week fell on the first week of Vlogmas, so I'm like a basket case. But it's gonna be great. That means I'll have some decent vlog footage for you guys, because I'll be out in the city and with my castmates and doing goofy things, and also being very stressed. Who knows how many crying scenes will be in the vlog this week. But it's been really good. I've been keeping very busy, but that meant that YouTube kind of just fell by the wayside. For the past few weeks, it's been like, go to work, plan after work, go to rehearsal, go to bed, get up, next day do it all again. And then on the weekends, I'm still rehearsing, or I'm planning, or I'm sleeping. I've been really sick lately too, so that's been a mess. Another thing that deserves an update is my weight loss journey. As you guys knew, before I kind of disappeared, I was doing Weight Loss Wednesdays on my channel. There might still be some weight loss videos kind of thrown into Vlogmas, and definitely in the new year. But I lost 20 pounds this summer, maybe a little more, for sure 20, and I have maintained all of that weight loss. Now I say maintained because coming into starting the new school year, financially, time-wise, a lot of factors made it so my workouts became far less frequent. My eating hasn't really changed much. I'm still fairly good in terms of that, so I think that's part of why I've maintained. But my workout regimen has been far less strenuous, far less intense, far less frequent, because I just couldn't afford to go to my gym anymore. Which I now finally can. I'm just trying to decide if I want to go back to that gym or a new one. It's a whole thing. I'll discuss it in a future video. And I'm just trying to, you know, kind of figure out what's going to be best for me at this phase of my life, because things are different. I started my extreme weight loss journey during a time where I was pretty free. Like, benefits of being a teacher. In the summer, you don't have that much to do other than prep for the year ahead. And then obviously I had that month of directing, which was basically teaching full time. But I had a little more freedom. And so getting into this really strict routine of work coming into the school year was very hard. So I'm still trying to figure out how to reincorporate my like intense workouts and focus on my health, because that's something that's still very important to me. I'm just kind of like deer in headlights right now with everything going on in my life. So I'm like, oh God, what am I gonna do? I honestly think part of why I've maintained is also stress. I can't gain weight. My body's too stressed. It keeps wanting to lose weight. It's just been a whole mess. But yeah, so that's kind of my next thing to pick back up, which it probably should have come before YouTube, but then Vlogmas got here and I was like, well, I guess I have to move YouTube up on the priority list above getting back on the weight loss journey, which is really bad. Really bad. That's okay. So I'm really excited to be back and doing Vlogmas. I honestly just started planning for Vlogmas like yesterday, so I'm not really sure what all Vlogmas will look like. I think every video for this week. But stay tuned on Tuesdays for the weekend vlogs and Saturdays for the weekly vlogs. And all sorts of other fun videos in between. So if you like this video, give it a big old thumbs up. If you have ideas for Vlogmas content, leave them down below. I want to know what you guys want to see. It's been a while since I've been here. I was looking through like what my most popular videos have been since I've been gone, and there's like no trend. So I'm like, I need to know what you want. So let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!